Adjustable instrument panel. Adjust the firmness of the seat. Turn on the headlights. Boom light. Warning light. Fan. Washer fluid. Electronic parking brake. Adjust the wiper speed. Front wheel steering. Four-wheel steering. Crab mode. Left outrigger. Right outrigger. Lower the outriggers simultaneously. Extend the main boom. Retract the main boom. Forward gear. Reverse gear. High gear. Lift the main boom. Lower the main boom. Retraction and tilting of the attachment bucket.